Hi everybody, hope you're all doing well. My name is Leah and I'll be showing you how to make homemade chocolate chip cookies. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes. The ingredients are 250 grams of self-rising flour, 100 grams of melted butter, 100 grams of white sugar, 2 eggs, chocolate chips, a pinch of bicarbonate of soda and vanilla essence for taste. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. After mixing all the ingredients, this is how the dough should look like. I have preheated the oven at 170 degrees, but remember to preheat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, take a portion of dough and roll it into a ball. With your fingers, press down to make a cookie-like shape. Then mold the sides. I've shaped the cookies and now they're ready for the oven. I've taken the cookies out of the oven and I've left them to cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. You know when the cookies are ready when both the top and the bottom have turned to a golden colour. I'm now going to taste my homemade cookies to see if they're nice. They're absolutely delicious and I hope you all try and make this at home. Thank you for watching.